the two teams are going to be battling it out for 750,000 pesos. Let's introduce first MERALCO, both 3-3. From Calca, Cebu City, number 7, Albert Patino. From Cebu City, number 17, Joseph Sedurifa. From Victoria City, Negros Occidental, number 30, Sean Manday. From Caloocan, number 31, J. Manlangi. Coach of MERALCO 3x3 coach, Patrick Brad. And their opponent, TNT Triple GIGA. From Las Piñas City, number 0, Chester Saldua. From Olongapo City, number 8, Peg Eximiliano. From Valenzuela, number 26, Elma Vosotros. From Davao City, number 29, Ryan Mendoza. Coach of TNT Triple GIGA, Coach Now Belen. Our referees, James Miles.
Di ko alam kung agree kayo, baguhin Coach Eric, but TNT feels like they are the underdogs in this championship match versus MERALCO. Sabi nga ni Coach Mao, this feels like one impossible game, but they will make it possible. On the side of MERALCO, they are feeling confident. Sawa na sila maging second, sawa na sila maging third. They want a taste of the summit. Will TNT pull off a second Grand Slam, or will MERALCO finally get their first ever Grand Finals championship? Walang aalis, walang kukurap, as we have TNT versus MERALCO for the championship.
Here we go! MERALCO 3x3, TNT Triple GIGA. Who will be the Grand Finals champion? We'll find out in 5, 4, 3x3, TNT La Paz Santa Claus.
Stream the BBL, UAP, NBA, and PBA anytime, anywhere, and on any device via Pilipinas Live. Download and register now. Available worldwide. Vosotros getting things going from the 2-point lines. But look at the hustle of Sedurifa. Somehow he got into Batino to get the bolts on the board. 2-1, TNT by 1.
Mandangit is assigned, or a while ago it was Sedurifa, now it's Sedurifa, but a while ago it's Mandangit also assigned to defend Alman Vosotros.
Alman trying to go back to back. Gets his own board. Vosotros misses though. And look at Alman go. He's battling amongst the bigs down there, Eddie.
Well, nag-uusap talaga yung MERALCO on how they will adjust because yun nga Alman Vosotros is even getting offensive rebounds here.
He's mixing it up ng semifinals. Naka-anim na rebound din niya sa Vosotros.
Yeah, and that's what makes him a very tough 3x3 player because you know he's undersized and yet he gets a lot of rebounds.
Manday creates the space. Doesn't work. Patino though keeps it for the white shirts. Patino takes it upon himself to tie the game.
All power there on the part of Alfred Patino.
Eximiliano to
Oh,
Saldua.
this is where TNT is very good at that pick and roll. They are able to get a lot of points off that.
Lamang na naman ang TNT 3-2. Manday again. In attack mode. Manday gets by Ping. Tila kumapit yung Vectus. And now TNT is in a hurry. Ping. Corner. Good.
It's a great start here on the part of TNT.
Patino again down low. Pilit pinapagpag sa Saldua. He goes to the fadeaway.
Yes, he's really a very good post player. Look at the defense here, Magog.
Manday was all over that pass.
I like the matchups here on the part of TNT. They put Eximiliano on Manday, speed for speed. And when you talk about Vosotros, you know, that experience using those screens and trying to get free, you put two good defensive players in Manlangit and even Sedurifa.
MERALCO with possession, down by 2. Almost 2 minutes into this final game. Winner gets 750. Loser settles for 250. That's a $500,000 peso difference. Ang galing ko sa mata. Laking bagay, no?
Oh, look at that Manday. Defense getting that seal.
Tulo!
Manday is really starting this game very well.
JJ Manlangit, Batang Kangaloo gives Meralco back to the 6-5.
Yun ang maganda eh, no? You're assigned to you're there to board and to play defense, and you can give them baskets also.
Mendoza overcuts it.
Vosotros again. Sayang yung mga ganyan. Meralco better watch it because Vosotros is a good rebounder.
Yung Batang Valenzuela naman na si Alman Vosotros, tinabla ang ating laban. As Bantino scoops it up and out. Manlangit leads it up. Oh, steal by Manday. Bantino with a pin down. No go. Nice fake by Bantino. That's a dream-on-dream move.
Yes, it's a very good another steal there.
Manday nakaramdam ng contact, ginagis na lang. Will the referees buy it though?
You know, both teams are doing a great, fantastic job playing defense. Meralco, pag nagkamali sila, they have some miscues, they can make the quick defensive adjustment right away.
Matino. Being dislodged there by Mendoza. Look at Brian brings himself to the shoot. Senderico misses. TNT has it. Ping is fouled. Grabe yung pace, Eric.
Yeah, it's really all about quick movements. You know, sometimes they'll slow down and then they'll just literally just explode. Batino had a good position there and a nice defensive stop. Pero yun nga lang, natakap siya na ibaba yung kamay because he wanted to block Eximiniano.
Being Eximiniano, a former member of the PBA All-Defensive Team, takes care of the free throw. Meralco's lead is down to 1. Seduripa, flyby. Doesn't work. Saldua tracks it down. They got to clear it first, though. And Chester does so. Mendoza, the general tonight.
Sayang, good rotation na sana.
Saldua ties the game at 8.
Sigurado talaga siya sa duwa maglaro eh.
Manlangit
This
lights
guy
it
is
up.
playing a great finals game. Oh, nice
Mendoza.
backdoor cut.
Picture perfect yung pasa. Parang nilagay lang ni Saldua kung sa kailangan.
Oh, they're very good. They're very, TNT is a very good passing team. Actually, even Meralco is the same. Pero ang ganda ng precision dito ng TNT when they execute their backdoor cuts or even their pick and roll.
Former PBA 3x3 player Keith Datu enjoying the action here inside the Glorieta.
Dito siya nakilala eh.
Manday is fouled here by Vosotros. Both teams will have 3 team fouls now. Meralco by 1. Under 6 remaining in the grand finals for the season ng ating PBA 3x3. Manday from lead. Nope. Vosotros. Nope.
So yan ang importante rito mabuo yung mga ganyang klaseng rebound. Unahan talaga.
Look at it, Simigliano slither his way through. Vosotros with a swipe. Doesn't work. Eximiniano keeps it with the black shirts. Di tumama sa ring, di na-reset. Uh-oh, there's a foul.
It's a foul in the hold. It's quick reading there on the part of Eximiniano, seeing that opening.
Saldua trying to post up Seduripa. He slides this time off the roll.
That's a bread and butter play there. TNT doing a great job using that throughout his days.
Lamang na naman ang triple giga.
Look out of Grant Mendoza.
Oh! 3-second violation whistle on Batino.
You gotta give it to Grant Mendoza to hold down Alfred Batino is no easy task. May power dito ni Grian, no? He had his ground. Laban lang talaga.
Gusto ko yung nakataas kamay, upload content, tapos tataas ulit kamay, pagkasali. Pagkasali.
It's gotta be quick.
Sabi mo na, may timing yan.
You have to be quicker than the camera. Oh, nice. Nice there, Brian.
2-point lead for TNT. Manday waiting for that hit. Uh-oh. Pag-release niya, gumalaw na si Batino. Turnover yun.
Yeah, Meralco's got to regroup here. Pero grabe. Grant Mendoza, not really known to be a 4 or a 5. And he's playing like a 5 right now with the way he's been batting out against Batino on the post.
Yun yung kinikwento natin, no? Si Flores ba to? Oh, Lervin, ano?
Oh, he's also a mainstay here.
Lervin Flores and Chief W. Jr. enjoying some 3x3 action. Ito yung binabanggit natin. Untouchable na. Etong scoring ni Wendell Gomboy. He will be crowned the scoring champion later on.
Iba talaga yung pinakita ni Wendell Gomboy this season.
Oh, look at Mendoza go! TNT taking this game by the horns.
The ball's having problems with that 2-1 game. Oh,
Sedorito with a getaway. Hindi kumapit para kay Almond.
almost, no?
Hindi ka na magugulat no? Nakakahanap ng angulo yung tao.
You know, sometimes like when the Comboy, they get it free for a shot, Armon Pasotros, nandun na yung defense, hindi ko na malaman kung saan nakakahanap pa ng angulo eh. Grabe these guys.
Sidriva, another one of those guys. Punch one out. Joseph
shot
rattles it home.
ties the game.
Oh, and Mendoza and Sidriva get entangled here. Again, mental toughness kinakailangan din, Eric.
Yes. Sedriva is also, di ba ganyan din sila ni Comboy kanina?
Vosotros trying to get it to Saldua.
Magu, the recovery on that has to be really quick. We have a smaller court and yet this guy on your screen is everywhere.
JJ Malangit leads all scorers here with 6. Batino helping him out with 5. Sa kabila si Eximiliano has 4. Lamang na naman ang TNT. 4 na puntos na rin para kay Saldua. Batino and Vosotros going after it. Last touch at TNT.
Kita may ginagawa nila Magu. Kahit sinabi mong box out, di ba? Ang standard is to box out your man. Pagka-box out ni Vosotros, tumutulong pa siya kumuha ng rebound.
Manday. Over to Batino. 14-13, TNT by 1.
Beautiful pass.
Manday ties the game. Mendoza launches it. No. Batino hands it back off. That's going to be a foul on Ryan.
Grabe rin yung pinapakita dito ng skills ni Alfred Batino. Post moves, big man passing, all around skills.
Anxious moments inside the Glorieta Activity Center. Game tied at 14. 750,000 pesos on the line. Batino.
Would be called an offensive.
Offensive foul. We saw the chicken wing, Eric.
Yes. So Saldua is doing a fantastic job.
Both Saldua and Mendoza combining to frustrate Batino so far.
Both teams have been showing a lot of great skills overall, both defense and offense.
Boom. That's when the whistle was blown. Swinging back to live action. Mendoza misses. Sa rebound play, merong foul. If it's against TNT, that is 5 team fouls each. Just one last to give in the last 3:21.
Grabe yung ano, no? When you talk about the physicality, the intensity of the players, ramdam mo with the way kung paano sila makipagpanggaan dito.
Manday, eyeball to eyeball with Eximiliano. They go to Manlangit. Back to Manday. Oh, they got first. Ping was all over that.
Siyan yung matchup talaga eh. Speed for speed.
Shot clock at 4.2. Meralco's got to go quick. Latino checks back in. Manday will get it in play. Latino pin down. Good.
Ganda naman ang pagkakasaktan kagad kay Mandangit. Pumupuntos kagad si Alfred Batino.
Uh-oh. That's the last foul to give the Meralco.
And with a game close like this, those free throws will definitely count a lot.
Meralco's got to play it clean the rest of the way. 15-14, Meralco by 1. Pero nasa TNT ang possession. Vosotros. Do that some do a pick. Manday sticking to him. Vosotros got the drop on it. Manlangit down low. Jumbo, no. Meralco will keep possession. Sedorifa got away from Elvin.
Every point counts. It's not anymore just a matter of taking those 2-point shots.
Oh, Alvin on the run.
Almost.
Sedorifa looking for a 2 or 3-point lead. With a turnaround
is
great
playing
away.
a fantastic game.
JJ Manlangit coming up big. 7 points to lead the way.
Well, for a time for the guy to really sizzle hot dito pa sa Grand Finals. Nagpapakita to si JJ Manlangit.
Manlangit with 7. Batino's got 5. Apat para kay Sedorifa. Si Manday 1 point pa lang. At the other side, tika 4. Vosotros, Eximiliano and Saldua. Samantala si Mendoza, merong 3 puntos.
Balance yung Talking Tex or yung TNT. Kasi nga, they move the ball well. They use that pick and roll.
Si Coach Mau kinakabahan pa kaya. Ang dami ng gear ang pinagdala ni Coach Mau. Kinakabahan pa kaya siya ganito, down by 2 to 20 to go.
The hardest part about, in a situation for a team that has been achieved a lot already is consistency. And that's something that Coach Mao would like to achieve.
Mendoza. All the way!
Grabe.
Pinulat si Batino.
Yeah, grabe rin yung lakas ng katawan ni Mendoza here.
Manday with those huge crossovers.
It's a hand check.
Is fouled. That'll put TNT on the limit as well with 16 fouls.
More Vosotros. But look at this drive right here. We talk about cutting angles. We talk about power. And the nice finish off the glass.
Oh, it was deemed in the act. Kaya naman si Manday merong 1 free throw. An opportunity to push their lead to 2. With just a shade over 2 minutes remaining in this game. Manday misses. Mendoza for the lead. No! Manlangit with the big board. Sedorifa!
Oh, what a time to get free.
Vosotros goes to work. No! Elvin from Mendoza. But Meralco can win it with a 2. Manlangit! Doesn't work.
Look at the way both players are stopping for that ball.
Manday wants better spacing. He takes on Elvin. Manday will attack. Puts one up. No! Manday still with it. Whoa!
Look at the way these players are hustling.
Sedorifa.
He did it again.
Joseph Sedorifa ends TNT's domination.
He did it again.
Yung anim na sunod ng Grand Finals, ng TNT, tinapos ni Joseph Cedriva and the Meralco Bulls.
What a way to finish and cap a brilliant run. Meralco showing us how it's done.
Finally, somebody got in the way of TNT. And the Triple Giga, they still look shell-shocked as congratulations are being poured upon Meralco. What a moment for Meralco's 3x3 team.
What is it with Joseph Cedriva? He did that big steal in the semifinals. Hit that game winner. Then again, he did it again here in the finals.
8 puntos para kay Cedriva, none louder than the last two.
He's just really a clutch player. But of course, Magu, let's not forget what Batino did, and lalong-lalo na si JJ Manlangit with the way he started things out in this game. He set the tone.
He was stroking it early. Yung dalawang maagang two-pointer ni Manlangit, nagbigay ng pag-asa sa Meralco, setting the stage for Cedriva. The kill shot para kay Joseph. Meralco, grand champion sa third conference ng third season ng ating PBA 3x3. Lakas ng tatlo. Gotta love it, Eric.
That's ice in his veins, Magu. When it's all about the kill shot, give it to the main man, Joseph Cedriva.
Walang bibitiw. May konting paalala lang muna sa aming bababalik. Awarding na ng third conference grand finals ng inyong PBA 3x3.